Thank you for joining this lesson. In the circle below, OA equals to X, OA equals to X centimeters, AB equals to 3 centimeters, just as indicated, OD 6 centimeters, DC 3 centimeters. Find the value of X. Find the value of X. For chords intersecting externally, then we usually say, let me use the given lengths here. When we take the length OA and we multiply by the total length, which is OB, we are supposed to get the same as when we take OD, the outer portion here, we multiply with the total length OC. Therefore, these are the lengths we're going to multiply and equate. Then we see the value of X. So we shall have OA being X multiplied by OB, which will be X plus 3. This is equivalent to OD 6 multiplied by OC, which is going to be 9, because this is 6 and 3, 9. Then now we shall have X squared plus 3X, after opening the brackets, is equivalent to 54. This is a quadratic equation, and I will solve it using the completing square method. So X squared plus 3X, I'll add to this side B out of 2 squared. So 3 out of 2 squared becomes 9 out of 4 is equivalent to 54 plus 9 out of 4. Then now we shall have the square root of this part, X, not the square root, but the factorized form, because it is a complete square now. It's a perfect square. It has been completed. We take the square root of this part plus the square root of this part squared. This now is the factorized form of the left hand side. Now the right hand side can be added, 54 plus 9 out of 4. This is 56 and a quarter. So now we can take square root of both sides. This will land us to X plus 3 out of 2 when we obtain square root. Square root of this other side is giving me 7 and a half. 7 and a half. So to remain with X, remember this is plus or minus. So I will start with 7 and a half minus 3 over 2. Then we also say that X is going to be negative 7 and a half minus 3 out of 2. So the first value of X is going to be evaluated as, when we subtract 3 out of 2, I'm going to get 6. Or this other side is negative 7 and a half, negative 1 and a half. So that will take us to negative 9. This is an indication that because we are dealing with length, then we are going to settle at X is equivalent to 6. Thank you for following. Subscribe and share.